In this video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing trick that you can do with your iPhone and a money bill. And here is what it looks like. At first, you're going to borrow a bill from your spectator, then ask that spectator to hold that bill right in front of everyone's eyes. And then take out your iPhone, open up your calculator, and ask the spectator to input any 4 or 5 digit random number. And whenever he does that, you ask him to multiply it with any other 3 digit number and then divide it with any other 3 or 2 digit number, whatever he wants. And once he does that, ask him to press equals, and once he presses equals, he's going to get a 6 digit number, and that is not a random 6 digit number. It is the exact same number as the serial number of the bill, 106839. And to be honest, he can put any number he wants and still the answer is going to be the same. And here is how you're going to do it. For this trick, the only sleight of hand technique that you need to know is how to switch a money bill, and I have a very easy method for that. So first of all, you're going to have the money bill that you have set up for this trick with the serial number under the wallet, and then you're just going to open up your wallet and pretend that you don't have a 100 rupee note and ask to the group of spectators if they have one. Now if there's a group of spectators, I'm pretty sure some of them is going to have 100 rupee notes, and you're just going to take that and switch it in the action of passing the wallet from one hand to the other. And this is a very deceptive move which the spectators don't suspect. So you basically pass on the wallet covers up the spectator's bill and reveals your bill, which really doesn't look like it. And all you have to do is basically put that money bill of your spectator and your wallet in your back pocket, and make sure you don't drop the spectator's money while putting it in your back pocket, because if you do that, the spectators are immediately going to know that you switched their bill. So you don't want that to happen. Now once the bill is switched, you just ask the spectator to hold it in their hand, and then you're going to take out your iPhone. But before all of this, you have to set your iPhone for this serial number. So open up the calculator, insert the serial number, then hit plus, then hit 0, then multiply it by 0, and then just go back to the home screen. Make sure you don't close the calculator because that is going to reset everything. Now once that is set up and your bill switch is done, you're just going to hand over the calculator to the spectator and make sure that he puts every single number, and then he either multiplies or divides it with the other number. And as long as the spectator follows that regulation of multiplying and dividing, you can actually make him multiply any number of times and divide any number of times, and whenever he or she presses the equals button, the answer is going to come out to be the same exact one that you have set from beforehand, which is the serial number of the bill, and it is going to match with the serial number. And that is how you're actually going to do this trick. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, then make sure you subscribe because that's what helps me make amazing videos like this one for you guys. And one more time, thanks for watching. Peace.